Satan and fallen man. What were the results left in creation by the spiritual fall and the physical fall of Adam, Eve and the archangel? To understand this we must examine what would have happened if Adam and Eve, obeying God's commandment, had realized the three blessings. If Adam and Eve had not fallen in the Garden of Eden, but had achieved the perfection of their individual characteristics, becoming the embodiment of God's vertical love, they would have become husband and wife, realizing God's horizontal love. They would have begotten children with a nature of goodness. Instead, because Adam and Eve fell with Lucifer, who became Satan, and became the embodiment of sin, inheriting Satan's evil genes and his fallen nature, God was excluded, and a pseudo-basis of the four positions was established, centered on Satan's false dominion, his false love, and Satan improperly played the role of the Lord of mankind to this day. This is why the Bible says that fallen men are Satan's children, John 8:44, that he is the god of this world, 2 Corinthians 4:4, and the prince of this world, John 12:31. Originally, man was supposed to have dominion in love and be mediator between the angelic world and God, including Lucifer, as over all the rest of creation. Instead, Satan overthrew this reality and came to dominate man and the cosmos. Therefore, as it is said in Romans 8:19, the creation eagerly awaits the manifestation of the sons of God. Because of the fall of man, nature and animals, too, are waiting with pain to be freed from the dominion that Satan perpetuates through evil humanity, so that they can experience the loving dominion of a having humanity, God's children, living out his purpose of creation.